I'm so proud of my journey at Waltham Forest College. It's played a massive role in getting me to where I am today.
Coming here, and I was nervous because I didn't know how it was going to work out, but then, you know, going into it, it's been very good and I've enjoyed it a lot. It's been absolutely brilliant. Every single member of staff has been the most supportive and helpful that they can be, and if I ever needed help or support, I know that I could ask absolutely anyone, and even if they couldn't help me, they'd help me find someone that could help me.
Because of that support, I've now secured an apprenticeship at Mercedes-Benz, something I'm extremely proud of and excited for.
The first thing I had to do, I had to ring my mum. So I rang her up, told her, and she was really, really happy, telling me how proud she was of me, and that's a great feeling to have felt.
Looking back a year ago, I wouldn't have known that I was going to be where I am today. So
Waltham Forest College gave me the skills, confidence and support to make this possible, and I'll always be grateful for that.